pregnant women. It is important for a woman who is pregnant to follow the same normal healthy eating guidelines that are given to everyone. This means she should eat foods from the 4 main food groups every day. You may have heard of the phrase eating for 2, but there is no need for women to do this. Her body will simply adapt to use whatever nutrients it gets for both her and the baby. A good intake of folic acid, B9, is important too. Foods to choose include starchy, fibre-rich foods, which increases the energy a little in the last 3 months of pregnancy, and a mother should be having 200 extra calories a day. Sources of this are wholemeal bread and cereals. Vitamin D, this absorbs the calcium and prevents a low birth weight, and this comes from sunlight, oily fish and margarine. Folic acid, folate, vitamin B9, this reduces the risk of the baby developing defects in its spine, some of them known as spina bifida. And this is from breakfast cereals and bread and green vegetables. Calcium helps the growth of the skeleton and bones. And this is found in dairy foods, white bread and green vegetables. Iron helps with the baby's growth and prevents anemia in the mother from red meat and again green vegetables. Dietary fibre prevents constipation and piles, and that's found in whole grain foods and vegetables. Protein for the baby's growth, meat, fish, eggs, milk, soya. Vitamin C helps with the absorption of the iron, and that's found in citrus fruits. There are some foods that women should avoid when they're pregnant, mainly because they could harm the baby. These foods may contain food poisoning bacteria such as Salmonella and Listeria. If a pregnant woman eats food containing these bacteria, it can cause serious illness and may lead to miscarriage or early delivery of the baby. Food which could contain Salmonella are uncooked meats, uncooked vegetables, unpasteurised milk and yogurt, and cheese made from unpasteurised milk, and some chilled ready meals. Foods which may contain Listeria are raw and lightly cooked meat and poultry, pâté, raw eggs and any food containing raw eggs such as homemade mayonnaise and some desserts, soft and blue vein cheese such as brie or Stilton, liver and liver products such as pâté, and any supplements that have fish oils all contain high amounts of vitamin A. Vitamin A is stored in the body and a build-up is toxic to the baby, causing birth defects. Some types of fish such as swordfish, marlin and shark contain high levels of mercury, which can harm the baby's nervous system and so should be avoided. Tuna also contains mercury, so a pregnant woman should limit her intake to no more than 2 tuna steaks or 4 medium-sized cans of tuna a week. Good food hygiene is essential to prevent food poisoning. Food poisoning can have long-term consequences for the unborn baby, even if the mother is not very ill.